Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. As they say, succulents are very difficult to understand at times, and this is a perfect example. Now this is my Xgraptoveria Marpin. This is the first time ever I'm seeing this. I've never experienced something like this. You can see there is a new pup growing from the center of this Marpin. Ideally, Xgraptoverias do not put pups in the center like this. They usually put it on the stem area, lower portion. This is where usually the flower stalk tends to come up, but I've been keeping a close eye on it and it doesn't look like it's going to be a flower stalk. So this is something very new experience for me as well, seeing a Xgraptoveria putting out a pup in the center. Echeverias do this quite often. A lot of Echeverias like Prolifica and few more of them, even sedums as well, they do that, but it's very rare with a Xgraptoveria doing this. Now I'm not very sure how did this happen. Probably there was a cut on the stem. I'm not very sure because I just happened to notice it. Probably there was a cut on the stem, or probably there was a leaf that happened to break, and that's where this pup happened to kind of emerge. I seen it earlier. I thought probably it's going to be a flower stalk, because that's ideally where on the second row or on the first row, that's where the blooms start. But this was very surprising, and today I happen to see that it is definitely a pup, and this is something very surprising to see. Overall, the Marpin is doing quite well. With this pup coming up, I do see that there is some modification in the leaves as well. You can see this leaf doesn't look that defined. It's almost like a narrow leaf that is coming up. I'm not very sure what has caused it to do that. Probably because of that modification, this pup has emerged. Again, I'm not very sure. This is a very strange thing and I'm seeing it for the first time. Here you can see there are pups, so this is a very normal thing. This is how it usually tends to put out pups, but seeing this over here like this, it's a very different experience. To be honest, it doesn't even look like a Marpin. I think there was something that happened to this Marpin and it kind of modified. The leaves have also changed. The structure of the leaves have also changed. So guys, as I said, this is all about opportunity. Succulents are very opportunistic. If they feel that the environment, the conditions are right, they will put out a lot of new growth. They will act little strange. It all depends upon the environment, but I'm not complaining about it. I'm very happy that it has done this, but this was something very new for me as well. So I thought probably I'll share it with you guys. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.